everyone, and welcome to Math Merit. My name is Miss Bayan. I want to start off by giving everyone a big warm welcome to Precision Academy. Now, Math Merit is a math class that is also an elective where we have a very strong focus about things that we see in Algebra 1. We're going to be doing a lot of review and extended explanation in this class about what we see in Algebra 1. Now, how to communicate with me. All your assignments are going to be due right after you watch this video. So as soon as you finish watching this video, I'm going to need you to send me an email with your assignments of the day, which we're going to go over after today's lesson. Something to always have handy, my email. Now, please have pencil and paper ready at the beginning of each video. This is going to be extremely helpful because I do require you to take notes of each lesson. My email is epayan.precisionacademy@gmail.com. Okay? Now, get ready to get started on lesson number 1. Okay, you guys, so make sure you have pencil and paper ready. Let's jump into concept number 1. So, in your notes, you're going to want to include that these are for Math Merit. Also, that we're touching base on concept number 1. The name of the concept for today is variables and expressions. Now, today we're going to have a more of a focus on vocabulary. Make sure you include everything that you see on the board. If you have the need to pause this video so you can make sure you have everything in your notes, please feel free to do so. Take your time. Variables. Variables is a symbol, usually a letter, that represents the value of a variable quantity. What this means is that in an equation or math problem, for example, that looks like this, we have a number, an operation symbol, and a letter. This letter is called a variable. It is called a variable because it represents a number that we don't know what it is. So it represents an amount that can vary. That is why it's called a variable. Okay, next up, we're going to go over the 2 types of expressions that we're going to be seeing throughout this concept. Number 1. Algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that includes one or more variables. What that means is that you will have a mathematical phrase, or better said, a math problem that's going to look like this. This is called an algebraic expression because it has a variable. Now, we already discussed that the letters represent a number that can vary, so we don't know exactly what it is, therefore it's called a variable. So, this is called an algebraic expression. Next up, we have numerical expressions. A numerical expression is a mathematical phrase involving number and operation symbols, but no variables. So, it's still a math problem, but this math problem doesn't have any variables. So it has numbers and operation symbols, which would be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. But it does not have any variables. Then it is a numerical expression. Okay? Make sense? Make sure you have all that in your notes. It will be a great help for your assignment today. Alright, you guys. So, today's assignment, which you have to turn into me immediately after you're done watching this video, is this. Remember, feel free to pause the video so you make sure you include it on your notes. Your assignment is to write an algebraic expression for each word phrase. Now, you have 4 word phrases here. So let's go ahead and work on one together. 7 minus f. Minus is another way to say subtraction. So you're literally going to give me an algebraic expression that looks like that. That is your answer. Okay? Now what I want you to do is on the bottom part of your notes, or if you filled up the sheet, go ahead and do it on the back of it. Write me these 4 problems. Please complete it. Take a picture of your notes and the assignment. Go ahead and email that to me, to my email. I will provide it at the end of this video again. So, I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you have a very wonderful